Baby skin is soft, snuggly, and let's be honest, sometimes covered in weird spots. Let's get you prepped for the most common baby rashes. First up, diaper rash. It's super common and usually pops up as red, irritated skin in the diaper area. The main culprit? Moisture and friction. Change diapers often keep the area clean and dry and use a thick barrier cream. Most diaper rashes clear up fast. Next, let's talk about eczema. This rash looks like dry, itchy patches often on cheeks, arms, or legs. Eczema can flare if your baby's skin gets too dry or comes in contact with irritants like soaps or fragrances. Keep baths short, use gentle moisturizers, and dress your baby in soft, breathable fabrics. Cradle cap is another one you might see. It's those yellowish, flaky patches on the scalp. It's harmless and not contagious. Try gently brushing the flakes out after a bath and use a mild baby shampoo. And finally, baby acne. Yep, even newborns get pimples. This usually shows up as little red or white bumps on the face, and it's totally normal. No creams, no scrubbing, just give it time. Most rashes are harmless and clear up on their own, but if you see blisters, a spreading rash, or if your baby has a fever, call your pediatrician right away. Trust your instincts, you know your baby best. For more quick tips, hit subscribe and remember, every baby is unique, but you've totally got this.